Question number 1 deals with method to measure distance of a nearby star. So when you see from Earth, there are some stars, those are close to Earth, and there are some stars, those are far away. We can measure distances of those stars, those are at a distance less than 100 light years away. So you have a star N, Sun and Earth moves around the Sun. Earth moves around Sun in an elliptical orbit. So when you are at one position, this is Earth, first position of Earth. If you use astronomical telescope, see this star N, you will fix your astronomical telescope along this line. That is, when you see it, you will see the star N and your line is like this. If you see a far away star at a distance much more than 100 light years, then all the rays coming from those stars are parallel. So, far star F, by moving from this position, this is the original position, this is where you are observer is on Earth. Observer will see star N and will find this line and far away star and will measure this angle, say theta 1. And on the other side, we can take this position as 2, so that it is same as that of book notes. Let me call this as position E1, this as E2. Same procedure you repeat here. When the Earth is here, again observer will see star N and will see far away star. Far star. This angle is theta 1. This angle is theta 2. Repeat. There is an observer on Earth. Observer finds this star N along this line. When the same observer will observe a far star, will find observation along this line. This angle, rotation angle, telescope moves by angle theta 1 is measured. Next observation, Earth is now in position E2. Observer will observe, yes, observe the star N along this line. Observer will observe far star along this line, and this angle is theta 2. This angle is also theta 1. What about this angle? These two angles are equal. This angle is theta 2. Now, let this position be A. This is S. A to S. Distance between Earth and Sun is 1 astronomical unit. AS is known to you. So, in the given triangle, if you redraw this triangle, what you get is N, A, S. Let this point be B. What about this angle, total angle? This angle is theta 1 plus theta 2. You have already measured theta 1, you have already measured theta 2, so you have measured theta 1 plus theta 2. You have measured these two. This distance A to S is 1 astronomical unit. This is also approximately 1 astronomical unit. So what is the total distance equal to? 2 astronomical units. Tangent of angle is equal to perpendicular by this distance, let this distance be D. AB by, I will write tangent theta 1 plus tangent theta 2 is AB by NS, or sine theta 1 plus sine theta 2 is equal to AB by D. For small angles, yes, if the angle is small, sine theta is equal to tangent theta is equal to theta. So theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to AB by D. D is equal to what? AB by angle theta 1 plus theta 2. AB is equal to what? Yes. Distance between Earth and Sun is 1 astronomical unit. Between S and B is also 1 AU. So it is AB is equal to how much? This distance is equal to what? 2 astronomical units by theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to, yes, 1 AU is equal to what? 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.5 into 10 per 11 meters. 1.5 into 10 per 11 meters. So, you will measure, yes, as per the experiment. In the experiment, you will measure what? Theta 1 and theta 2 in, yes, SI unit radians. So, this is from the experiment. Distance of nearby star, the star which is less than 100 light years away, will be equal to AB, that is this value is 2 into 1.5 times per 11 divided by theta 1 plus theta 2. After the observation, after the experiment, what you need to put is value of theta 1 and theta 2, and you will find what distance of nearby star. So time with you is 4 minutes to note the same.